House Majority Whip Steve Scalise returns to Capitol Hill, and he's back to work. And this is months after he was shot during a congressional baseball practice. One America's Sani Unutoa has more on his recovery and his first address to his House colleagues.
House Majority Whip Steve Scalise makes a triumphant return to Capitol Hill.
You have no idea how great this feels to be back here at work in the People's House.
Scalise spoke on the House floor, thanking God and Capitol Police for saving his life.
The first place I want to go to thank true angels along the way starts with the United States Capitol Police.
The Louisiana representative was shot in June when a gunman opened fire on the GOP baseball practice in Virginia. He said Capitol Police were the true angels that day, specifically officers David Bailey and Crystal Griner.
If they didn't act so quickly, and even after being shot both themselves, continued to engage the shooter and ultimately got him down, which not only saved my life, but saved the life of a lot of other people that are here in this chamber today. Crystal couldn't be with us today, but David Bailey is with us. David, you are my hero. You saved my life. Thank you so much.
Scalise also said it was a miracle that Ohio Representative Brad Wenstrup, who is also a doctor and decorated Army Ranger, was on the field on the day of the shooting.
Because the tourniquet he applied, many will tell you, saved my life so that I could actually make it to the hospital in time with all the blood loss. So, Brad, where are you at?
Right down front, right down front.
Scalise went on to thank doctors, who he says gave him a second chance, his wife, family, colleagues, friends, and even world leaders for the outpouring of love and prayers.
The power of prayer is something that you just cannot underestimate.
Sani Unutoa, One America News.